Good morning, everyone. My name is Adib and my student ID is 2022 71 65 and 59. And today I'm going to present to you about the age criteria of the appraisal part. Now, before we go going on to the age criteria, we must explain what is the appraisal means. Now, appraisal in the context of the archival material is the process of evaluating records to determine their long-term value and suitability for permanent preservations. This involves assessing the administrative, legal, physical, and also historical value of the materials, ensuring that they align with the institution's collection policy, examining their physical condition, and also considering the cost of the preservation. Appraisal also looks at the quantitative uniqueness and also accessibility of the record as well as their potential research value. This process helps archivists make informed decisions about which materials to be kept, transferred, or discard, ensuring that the collection remains valuable, relevant, and also manageable. We are moving on to the criteria and question that need to be answered, which is question one, how old is the material? Question two is how is the benefit or drawback to its value? And the third is the what is the physical condition and care cost? And lastly, fourth, the date of the creation within the chronological boundaries. Now we'll be going get into it. It is the first one, the how old is the material? This criterion involves the determining the exact age or the period during which the materials were created. The age can significantly impact the value of the materials both historically and also the financial value part. Other materials might provide unique insights into the past events, cultures, or practices which can make them valuable for researchers and also historians. The second is the what is the benefit or drawback to its value. The age of the material can either enhance or diminish its value. For instance, some very old documents might be rare and therefore highly valuable. Conversely, if the information within the document is outdated or irrelevant to the current research or institutional needs, the age could be seen as a drawback. Now, this means like the document that is like over 25 years old or is just too old to be kept in the archive. The context in which the materials were appraised determining whether the age adds to the value or not. The third is what is the physical condition and care cost. If the materials are in poor physical shape, it can be either expensive to preserve and maintain them. This includes costs for restoration, proper storage, and ongoing conservation efforts. Some archivists must weigh in the historical or informational value of the materials against the resources required to care for them. Sometimes the cost of preservation might be outweigh the perceived value, leading to a decision to desanctioning or dispose of the materials. And lastly is the date of the creation within the chronological boundaries. The relevance of the materials to the institution's collection policy is very crucial. Archivists need to be determined if the date of the creation of the materials falls within the chronological scope defined by the institution collection, development by the policy. If the materials do not align with these chronological boundaries, they might not be suitable for the institution's collections. For example, an archive focused on the 20th century may not find the 19th century documents very reliable or relevant. Now, all of these criteria help archivists make informed decisions about which materials to preserve, transfer, or discard, ensuring that the collections remain relevant, manageable, and also valuable to researchers and institutions. And that is all. Thank you.